I meant slowly. Welcome back to Woods and Wrenches. Today, me and the wife are going to take the 1UZ and we're going to put it in the Ram 50. And then we're going to mark the frame rail where we're going to drill the holes for the motor mounts. I got to take off a cross member, take the shifter out to give us the clearance, and we'll see what we can get done.
Okay, I'm going to help you by grabbing the tools for you. Huh?
Okay, let me see.
Okay, I'm going to help you by grabbing the tools for you.
That's fine. Okay, shine your flashlight in here.
Huh?
Shine your flashlight in here.
Hey, Mom. Can I go back inside now?
Yep.
Slowly.
I meant slowly.
Oh, no. That's fine right there.
Okay, sorry. I mean, the exhaust is right there.
Yep, that would do it.
Can I go up a little bit?
Yeah, go up a little bit.
You sure this is going to fit in here?
I'm hoping so.
Did you say I'm hoping so?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Might have to take this exhaust off real quick. I think I'm gonna have to take the exhaust off.
So go up?
Go up just a little bit, yeah. Planning on taking this apart, so the O2 sensor is still complete on this side. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to reach.
Untrustworthy mechanics these days, I tell you what.
Came undone. Okay.
It's bedtime, right?
You can see it's sitting in there now. We ran out of battery last night. I gotta take this exhaust manifold off still because it's hitting up against the steering gear. You can see there's like 4 or 5 inches there that the motor can still slide back. There's about 4 or 5 inches there that the motor can still slide back. I'm hoping that if I can get it to slide back that far, the motor mounts will line up where I want them to. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to make some custom mounts for it, which is fine. But I'm gonna try to get this off, and then we'll see where we go from there. Gotta love these angled. There are 12 on one side and a 14 on the other. They make getting into these tight places for these manifolds super easy. We almost rounded this one off last night trying to use a regular wrench, but I had these tucked away from way back when, and they sure make getting in there easy. Yeah, if anybody's got any experience with these 1UZs, let me know what I can delete off of this thing. You know, like, is that necessary? I'm gonna get rid of the EGR system, but I want to get rid of anything that doesn't need to be here. Anyway, I'm gonna go get a tool to make this go faster. Well, that was clearly causing a lot of tension. That was causing a lot of tension. I think the stock motor mounts are a little bit thick, because these wooden ones we built in the last video are about the same thickness as the stock ones. But if I could drop this motor down 1.5 inches, I think it would slide right into place. It'd make putting manifolds on super fun, but you know, I think we should try it. What do you think? Think we should give it a shot? I think so. Ho ho ho! Hoo hoo hoo! Here we are, taking that manifold off, lots of room, okay? Taking the motor mounts off, drops the motor down enough. I might even be able to fit the hood on this thing. I don't know if we're gonna need that, but technically if I wanted to, I think it'd fit. Only problem I got now, you can see there, I got a little bit of room. Take those heat shields off. It'll open up a little bit more space, but I have a bunch of friends that I know that are going to tell me to get rid of this brake booster. You don't need it. I'll have to figure out a better, stronger master cylinder to go to. That lower motor mount is almost in the perfect spot. I need to go back a little bit. I think I'm going to end up having to make a little bit of a mount if that one looked like the other one. See, that one down there is a little bit more out and then straight down. And I got plenty of room. If I take that brake booster off, I could shove it over to the driver's side a little bit more and it would be fine. So I think that might be what ends up happening, is taking that brake booster off for now. And then I think it's looking pretty good. What do you guys think? Think it looks pretty good? Alright, so last night got the motor set in place. The mounts just aren't going to work where they are. Plus, I kind of want to move the motor about an inch forward, mainly so that the brake booster can stay where it's supposed to be. I'm sure somebody in the comments will be like, oh, just get rid of the brake booster and run manual brakes. It'll be fine. It probably would, but I like things to actually work right. So, gonna move the motor forward an inch. Unfortunately, that means I need to have new motor mounts made. So, I'm gonna end up redoing this core support anyway. Put the radiator in there and stuff like that. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll just move it over and take the brake booster off. Maybe I won't. Let me know in the comments what you think. So, I'm gonna pull these motor mounts, put the engine on blocks, put the transmission cross member back on, and I think that's gonna do it for this video. So if you've been enjoying this series, give it a like, give it a share, subscribe. All free to you guys. Does wonders for us here at Woods and Wrenches. But we'll see you on the next one.